Is there a way I get a little bit of light right here? I'm so sorry. Hey, bud. Yeah, he's checking everybody. Ooh, ooh, that was a little bright. Ooh, my goodness. Now you can look around, buddy. Now you can see how pretty mommy is. Look over here, Grayson. Grayson. GB, my man. My man. Hey, buddy. Hey, little buddy. How are you? How you doing? You trying to see what she's doing to your hair? You was looking around. Hey, buddy. Why have you got your forehead all wrinkled up? He got his forehead wrinkled up, but he looked happy. My little monkey boy. I'm sorry, but you look like a monkey. You're my monkey, though. You're our monkey boy, isn't he, Mommy? We love you, monkey boy.
My little baby.
We love you, monkey boy. Yeah, he's still looking around. Would you like your shoulder covered up, little buddy? How's that? How's that? Yeah, he's trying to figure out. He knows he's not just laying in that old bed anymore. Aren't you, buddy? He looks like he's trying to figure out what's happening. He's looking at you. He's trying to look down. I think he sees your hair. He's got his eyes around trying to see. He was doing that. Were you trying to see what Mommy was doing to you? Oh, I can't wait. I've got to get this on YouTube so everybody can see him. GB, my man. Can you give me one of those little squeaks? Can you give me a little squeak? Can you give me a little squeak? Are you? I thought he was gonna smile for a minute. Give me a squeak. I don't want to cut off the video because he's so cute looking around and stuff. Little monkey boy. He looked a little cross-eyed for a minute. What is that? What is that? Is that Mommy's finger? Oh yeah, this video is gonna go viral, baby. Clearly. Everybody's gonna be talking about it tomorrow. Isn't it amazing how intelligent that little boy looks? Our little monkey boy. Now, how does it feel to have a monkey for a baby?
He is not a monkey.
He looks like a monkey.
He's our little baby.
Until we started feeding now. Once we start feeding him, he'll probably go to it pretty quick. Yeah.